Okay, so today is the last one in our series of 3 marketing videos that we've done, 3 marketing video prompts. So this is a great way for if you're looking at getting into doing more video content or even video ads, how do you go about knowing what to say or what content to use? So the prompt we're using today says write 3 short video ad scripts, 15 to 30 seconds, that introduce my company, Plus One Technology services, in a way that grabs attention in the first 3 seconds. Because everybody knows in social media, you need to basically hook people in the first couple of seconds of your video in order to get them to watch the rest of it. So this is a way that it will help you create those, what they call a hook or a lead in or something to maintain attention so they read the rest of your content. So it gives us our 3 different scripts here, gives us opening scene, and it says things like voiceover. You can always tell it what format. So if it's just going to be like most of the videos I shoot where it's just me in front of a camera, you can tell it ahead of time, hey, it's just me in front of a camera. I don't have any additional tools. I'm not going to have a voiceover. It'll just be my words. So you can give it all that information. It kind of gives you some action steps here, like closing screen with logo, which is just telling you, additional content to add. And it gave us a couple different titles here. So we have Downtime Nightmare, Accounting Focus, and One Call Away. So these are 3 different scripts, and it gave us just the lead in because that's what we were looking for. So if you wanted the whole video script, you could say, hey, I want to grab their attention in 3 seconds, but I also want you to generate the rest of the 30-second video. You could ask for that as well. But this is a great way to get you started in your marketing video content.